Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be completing a task under Apex integration service, which is Apex SOAP callout. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll be landing here. Come to challenge and copy the name and click on launch. After clicking launch, we'll be landing here in the top right corner there is a gear icon, so just click on it. After that, click on setup. Here in the quick find box, search remote and come to remote site settings. Once it's loaded, we'll click on new remote site. Here paste the name which we have copied, and I'll be providing the URL in the comment section or in the description box. You just copy from there and paste it here. Then click on save. After it's saved, click on the gear icon and click on developer console. Come here, click on file, click on new Apex class. Come to the place from where we have started our launch. We have copied already Parker locator, so paste it here. We'll copy it and paste in the developer console. Then we will click on OK. Then again we'll go to file, new Apex class, come to the place from where we have started our launch and copy Parker locator test and paste it here. Then click on OK. Again come to the place from where we started our launch, then copy Parker service mock and in the developer console click on file, new Apex class and paste what we have copied. Then click on OK. Then come to Parker locator, remove what all are written here. I'll be providing the code in the description box or in the comment section. Copy from there, then paste it here. Then for Parker locator test, remove what all are written here from the description or in the comment section. Paste the code and copy from there and paste it here. Same we'll do for the mock. We'll remove what all are written here from the comment section. We'll copy the code and we'll paste it here. Then go to file, then click on save all. Once these three are saved, we can see here saving, it's coming. Yeah, now it's gone. Come to test and click on run all. Once it's finished, we will do the next section. We'll wait for a while. Yeah, you can see it's successful. Now come to the place like home page, and here click on remote site setting. Remove remote site, click on Apex class and click there, and here just download this WSDL file by clicking on it. And after once it's download, come to this page, home page, and click on generate from WSDL. After clicking, choose the downloaded file. Yeah, then once it's here, then click on parse WSDL. Then here just write the name is parks. One directly will copy from here, parks service, will copy from here and will paste it here. Then generate Apex code, will write it, click on it. Once it's done, we'll again come to developer console. Here we'll select the file, then click on save all. Once these three codes are saved, then we'll go to test, then we'll click on run all. Once it's successful, then come to the place from where we have started our launch, then click here to earn points. Meanwhile, guys, if you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to create more contents, as now I can see there are lots of viewers, but there is few likes and subscribe. So if you like my content, please like the video. As you can see, we have completed the task. We'll meet in the next video completing next task. Thank you for watching.